Yeah, AI is a part of our life. Most people want to learn AI but don't know how can they start. I have 5 AI courses that are completely free. So in this video I am going to show you 5 AI courses that you can do for free without paying a single penny of money. So let's begin the video. The first course is Claude 101. In this course, you will learn how to use Claude for everyday tasks, understand core features, and explore resources for more advanced learning on the other topics. In this course, you will know what is Claude, your first conversation with Claude, getting better results, Claude desktop app, introduction to projects, creating with artifacts, working with skills, connecting your tools, enterprise, and many more. And in this course, after the completion of this course, you will get a free certificate of this course. Okay, so move on to the next course. The next course is Claude Code 101. In this course, you will learn how to use Anthropic Claude Code like a real AI coding for software development. You will learn what AI coding agents are and how they work, how to install Claude Code in VS Code, how to write good prompts for better coding results, how to use AI for debugging, coding, planning, and code reviews, a workflow called Explore, Plan, Code, Commit, how manage long AI coding sessions with context and commands. Basically the course is made for both engineers and experienced developers who want to improve their coding speed and workflow using AI. Okay, the next course is Claude Code in Action. This course teaches you how to use Anthropic Claude Code to make coding faster and easier with AI. You will learn how Claude Code read files, edit code, and run commands, how to manage context using Claude.md and commands, how to use plan mode and thinking mode for complex tasks, how to automate workflows with custom commands, how to add extra feature using hooks. This course is mainly for developers who want to improve their workflow and productivity using AI coding tools. Okay, the fourth course is Building with the Claude API. In this course teaches developers how to use the Anthropic Claude API to build the real AI powered applications. You will learn how to connect app with Claude using API requests, how to build chatbot, AI tools and automation tools, prompt engineering and testing for better AI results, tool calling and connecting Claude with external services, building RAG systems using embeddings and search, using Claude Code and computer use features, creating AI agents and workflows with automation logic. The course is mainly for software engineers who want to integrate AI into production level applications and build advanced AI systems using Claude. The last but not the least course is AI Fluency for students. This course teaches students how to use AI smartly, responsibly and effectively in learning and career growth. You will learn how to work with AI as a thinking partner instead of depending on it completely. The 4D framework, delegation, description and diligence. How to use AI for studying, understanding concepts and career planning. How to maintain critical thinking, creativity and responsibility using AI. Ethical and safe use of AI tools like Anthropic Claude. The course is mainly for students who want to improve learning, productivity and future career skills with AI. So these are all the 5 courses that are completely free. Let me know in the comment what course will you do first, and don't forget to subscribe.